How to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply log into your Binance account, then open up your wallet, and over here just simply click on this option of withdraw. Now select Solana, click on Solana, and for the address we will open up Phantom wallet, and on Phantom wallet we will click on deposit, then select Solana, and you will see this address. Just simply copy it and paste it on Binance, and network will be selected on its own. Now type the amount of Solana that you want to send to Phantom wallet. After that, you will be able to see that you can withdraw this particular Solana. After security check, you will be able to withdraw it, and after you complete your process, your transaction will be processed, and after the processing is complete, you can see that completed will be returned, and the Solana will be reflected on your Phantom wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.